Crafted from durable, high-quality materials, compatible with all 5 flat vehicle connectors, and simple to install on your trailer. Split wire allows you to run wires from the connector directly to each tail light. No jumper wire off the main harness to one of your tail lights is necessary with this style harness. 25-foot total length from end of wires to 5 flat connector, 4-foot ground wire, 5-foot auxiliary wire. Color-coded wires for easy hookup. Conforms to SAE J1128 interface specifications. Wesbar universal car and trailer wiring harnesses are crafted from durable, high-quality materials to ensure a long service life under just about any road or weather conditions imaginable. Color-coded harnesses are available in various lengths and come with car or trailer connectors attached. Trailer end harnesses can be purchased in straight lengths, loops, inside or wishbone styles. Wesbar comprehensive harness offerings include just about any length or wiring configuration possible. The harness you need is available from Wesbar. In 1934, the Wesbar family of vehicle lighting and electrical products made its debut. Since that time, the brand has been a key ingredient to the success of some of the world's most legendary agricultural and industrial manufacturers. With offerings of both incandescent and LED lighting for vehicles and trailers, plus an extensive line of 12-volt electrical connection products, Wesbar has continued to provide an all-encompassing selection of options for agricultural, industrial, marine, recreation and utility manufacturers. Wesbar products are made waterproof, sealed, submersible and shock-resistant. Everything you would expect when working in extreme environments. Top reviews from the United States. Quality product, heavy gauge wires. Rewired a trailer, the last harness I bought failed after a few years. This harness appears to be quality and normal heavy gauge wiring.